Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Kemari Reaction. How are you guys doing today? So guys, I'm here back again with another reaction video to Mr. Miyagi featuring TumaniYO. This is JAMM. So I was looking up basically the English translation to this. I'm gonna have to do something. Giving up anger, something with sorrow. How anger can be passed to other people. I don't really remember the full thing over, but I remember I had to do something like giving up anger, something like that. So this one is English translation. So I be listening to the audio. Miyagi. This must be tea. It's like there's like a reggae field, like a reggae undertone feel in there. I think there's that key, that ding, 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 that key note in the background is giving me like a reggae feel to it. Yeah, this is give me reggae undertone. Once again, Mr. Miyagi, I'm not disappointed, sir. Not disappointed. Okay. Oh my god, it's like I'm saying I'm liking every song, but this is a very good song collection you guys giving me. It's a very good song collection. You guys are giving me to react to Mr. Miyagi. It's a very good song collection. I really do like this. I need to create me a playlist on this channel for Mr. Miyagi. This is a very good song list. I really like this song. I really like his style. I really do. I like his style. I don't have anything else to say. Whatever you guys want me to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section. I get to it as soon as possible. As always, you can do you besides you. I really do appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching.